Okay, so today we're going to do vocabulary MCQ, which is five questions. Okay, 5 marks, 5 questions. There are only going to be 5 MCQ, and then each of them 1 mark. Visual text. Do you remember what's visual text? What is visual text? Do you remember what is visual text?
No, but I need to rename first.
Huh? Rename? Oh.
I need to rename because just now I saw that it was Tanwela.
Oh, okay. Yeah, renamed already. Okay, now can you answer what is visual text?
Visual text means you means about unspelling. Not so good spelling.
Oh, no. Visual text. Visual means what? Something that you can?
Look at.
Visual means something you can see. So a visual text comprehension is like a poster or an advertisement or some other examples you're going to look at today's lesson. Okay, a visual text, you're going to look at a visual
Story?
and then not really a story, but you look at some examples later and then you answer questions. It's an MCQ comprehension question, but instead of the text being like a written story, it's actually in a picture form. So visual is something that you can see with your eyes. This is my eyes, like a poster.
My eyes.
Yes, visual text comprehension is 8 marks, 8 questions. But of course, in today's lesson, you didn't do 8 questions, right? Only a few lessons. I think it was only 6 questions. So yeah, slowly training you into the visual text. Now, synthesis and transformation. Do you know what a synthesis means?
No.
Synthesis means combine. Transformation means what? Transformers. What does transformers do? What can they do?
They transform into.
Yeah. So what does transform mean? It means to C.
Yeah.
Change, right? To change. Yes, very good. Okay. So what do I mean by this? So synthesis and transformation are 2 sentences. They'll give you 2 sentences. They ask you to combine them and then change maybe the order and maybe the sentence structure, but the meaning must be the same, right? So synthesis and transformation is 5 questions. 10 questions, 10 marks. So it's 10 marks. 5 questions, meaning 1 question is how many marks? 1 question is 2 marks. So 5 questions, 10 marks, meaning 1 question is 2 marks. So altogether is 10 marks, okay? So let's look at that. What are you drawing, by the way?
A transformer.
Okay. Why got no eyes, no nose, no mouth? Oh, you're drawing it now.
Transformers don't have noses. In fact,
Oh,
cars don't have noses.
I see. Why is there a car beside that? Is that a transformer having a car? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It is a transformer having a car. That's a very nice drawing. You can draw really well.
No, it looks. This is the car, then it turns to a transformer.
I see. That's really nice. Who's your favorite transformer?
Bumblebee.
Ah, I like Bumblebee as well.
And Grimlock.
And who?
Grimlock.
I have no idea who that is. I have to Google it.
He's the one that can turn to a dinosaur.
Ah, is that a new transformer?
Yeah, I learned it. Anyways, I want
Okay.
to choose this color.
Yes, you can circle for me. Is it the red and black?
Yeah, I like red. I like black and red. I like both.
Okay.
What color is it?
Yes, the one you chose. But your drawing is blocking it. But yeah, that's the color I'm using since you chose that color. Okay, so let's clear a drawing so that it's not blocking my screen. Okay, thank you. So tell me what is the answer and what is the clue?
Wait, let me see. There are many breeds.
Yes, the answer is?
Breeds. I don't know.
Which one? A, B, C, or D?
I don't know even any of these words.
Oh, it's okay.
There should be like there are many types of reptiles.
Yes,
There
so
should be types.
yeah, so which word means types?
Many types of brands. There are many brand.
Which word in the list here is the closest to the meaning of types? You said types, right? So you're right. So which one is the answer? A, B, C, or D? You actually wrote the correct answer in your tutorial. So let me see if you remember your answer. What's the answer?
B.
Sorry?
B, I think I forgot.
Oh no, you didn't put B. Yes, you put D because D is the only one that means different types. I'm going to explain the other words for you so that you know what they mean. Now, when do you use breeds? Breeds you can use for other animals, like different dog breeds. Like my dog is a poodle. Then there are border collies. Then there is a golden retriever. These are different dog breeds characterized by similar characteristics and the size, right? The size and the similar appearance. So usually breeds are referring to animal breeds other than reptiles, because reptiles are not considered animals in that sense. They are reptiles, they're a specific category. So yes, it usually refers to like animal breeds, but not reptiles. Okay, so like cats have many breeds, dogs have many breeds. Okay,
Then what is model?
yes, very good. Now model is, for example, this company wants to build a new building. Okay, a new building,
A new
but
way of
a new building. For example, they want to build a new mall. Okay, they're going to name the mall. What mall can we name? What can we name the mall? Can we name the mall Transformers Mall? Okay, maybe they're going to build a Transformers Mall, for example. Now, before they build the actual Transformers Mall, they need to create something small to know how it's going to look like in real life. So they will create a model. A model is like a prototype. It's basically a smaller scale than the original building, so that you can see how it looks like, okay, in a small 3D form before it's actually built in real life. So that's what a model is, okay? It's a prototype. Okay, and it's basically like a mock-up or a small scale than the original. So whatever I want to build in real life, okay, in real size, before I actually build in the real size, I will build a model, a smaller version of it, so I can look at it. For example, in schools, when you do projects, you might build a model volcano for science experiment to see how the volcano erupts. Of course, it's not a real volcano, right? So that's why it's called a model. It's a prototype.
It should be a real volcano.
Yeah, but you can't build you can't hold a you can't hold a.
How you make your very own volcano?
Volcanoes are man-made. They're not. I mean, sorry, they're natural. They're not man-made, right? They are by nature.
I want to make one where you can just put some ingredients.
Oh yes, the one you want to build, it will have. You need to use plasticine. Then you need to pour baking soda and Coca-Cola or something that is gassy, then you will erupt.
Or the easier way is to do Coca-Cola and Mentos.
Ah, yes, then you will erupt as well. Yes. You might do that experiment when you go to upper primary, I think. I do not know if lower primary all do the experiment, but I remember when I was in school, or my students also were telling me that for science experiment, they made plasticine. They made a volcano from plasticine and then they made it erupt. Now, what are brands?
Mentos.
What are brands?
Brands? Something new.
Brands means, no, brands are, if I say, what brand is your wallet? That means I'm asking you, who is the manufacturer of this particular wallet, right? Like, for example,
who made your phone, which is
are you writing Samsung? Yeah. So there are many brands, there are many phone brands like iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, right? All of these are called brands. Brands is the yeah, Samsung. Yes. These are all.
Samsung is very expensive.
Yes, I'm using a Samsung flip phone. By the way, Samsung is SAM. So can you see my phone? It's a flip phone. You can fold it. Ta-da! It's a flip phone. So this is a Samsung phone. And so, of course, there are other brands as well, but I'm just showing you this phone. So that is brands. Brands are products, okay? Referring to products manufactured, and the company do not want anyone to copy their brand. They want their brand to be famous. They want people to buy the product for that specific brand. So they are selling it. Now, do you know that you actually are paying more money just because of the brand? So for example, if I buy one wallet, it is brandless, okay? It's an unknown brand, for example, okay? For example, it is a brand called Hello, okay? And then there's another wallet that is called Guess. It's a branded wallet. The same wallet might have been made from the same material, okay, same quality, but you are paying more for the Guess wallet because it's branded compared to the other wallet. Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
What did I just say?
That's what you say about the brand. I know now brand is like the thing, like the company that make the product.
So what did I talk about? I compared two products, right? Hello and which is not a brand, and a Guess brand. So why is a Guess brand wallet more expensive than a Hello wallet?
Because gas is very expensive. Gas comes from the ground.
Yes, it's a brand. That's why you pay more. Okay, so yes. So that's why the answer is D, and the clue is reptiles. Reptiles is not a brand, neither is it a breed, neither is it a model. So that is the clue. Okay. So let's look at question number 2, which you also got right. Very good. So tell me what's the answer and what's the clue.
Let's see what we got. One, bee stung or me in the chin and my whole face swelled up.
So what's the answer?
Stung.
A, B, C, or D?
A.
Yes, very good. It's A. Can you tell me why? What's the clue?
Because stung bees, you only stung.
Sting, right? So stung is the past tense of
And
sting.
since it was like once a long time ago, and means you stung is the past tense, so you should use stung.
Yes, very good. Okay, and also swelled up, meaning it's already over. Now, all of these words are in the past tense anyway, right? They are all verbs. They are all verbs, and they are all in the past tense. Now, the reason why you are using stung is because stung is the word you use for bee. Now, do you know when a bee stings you, the bee dies?
Yeah.
Yeah, so sad, right?
Yeah.
So here, stung means when the bee stings you, it dies, right? So what does struck mean? What can you use?
Means something that like the lightning, then it
Very good, very good. Struck is usually used with lightning. Oh, by the way, give yourself 2 points for question number 1 just now. And then this one also give yourself 2 points for giving me the clue and for the answer. So yeah, struck is usually used for lightning, okay? Because struck means hit forcibly. Okay, for example, I was struck by a car means the car hit me. Or I struck the ball means I hit the ball, I kicked the ball, okay? So struck by lightning is another way you use struck, okay? So lightning, ball, car, these are examples you use struck. Struck means to hit something forcibly. Now, wounded means what? What does wounded mean, Wei Hong?
wounded means that you have a scratch. Means you have a scratch or like a deep cut.
Yes, it means you're injured, right? Very good. Give yourself a point.
How much? 1?
1, yes, 1. Yes, it means injured. Now, what does poison mean?
Poison. You know what is poison? Is poison?
What does it mean?
The one that will usually make you die.
Yes, very good. Okay, something you take and then you pass away. Very good. So now what is the answer for number 3? You can clear my screen.
Okay. My sister cannot stand insects and squirms.
Yes, very good. The answer is B. All of them are verbs. Okay. Now, can you tell me why is the answer squirms? What's the clue?
I don't know.
You just guess? What's the clue in the sentence that tells you the answer should be squirm?
My elder sister cannot stand insects and...
So which word or phrase?
She's very scared. Your mic can squirm to show that you're very scared.
Very good. Okay, very good. Give yourself a point for the explanation. So just 2 points.